Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I got this beautiful sleek low ponytail with my wig. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna hop straight on into this tutorial. So boom, the items I used was the Latrice, the Got to Be glue, my paddle brush, my black girl brush, and a silk wrap to tie down my edges. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by taking my paddle brush and brushing through the wig, trying to get all the knots and tangles out of it so I can achieve a nice sleek ponytail once this hairstyle is finished. So you're just going to see me basically just brushing through and making sure everything is like I want it. And I got this brush from Family Dollar. I believe it was like $3. I'm not sure. I will put it in the description box as well, but you can get this anywhere. You can get it from Amazon and all those places as such. So this is one of my older wigs that I had that I haven't worn in a while, but as you guys can see, you can pretty much wear this wig like this, but today I was just going for a ponytail because I've been wanting a sleek ponytail for a while and it's been a minute since I wore one. So now that I have everything brushed out, I'm just going to take my brush and just go over the hair to make sure everything's in place like I like it. I was thinking about doing some baby hairs at the beginning, but then I changed my mind. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brush and just pretty much brush everything into place. But before I do all of that, I'm gonna take my flat irons and go through the hair about 2 to 3 passes just to get the hair straight as possible so the ponytail looks like I would like it. So you guys can watch me do that. Okay, so now that we're done with that process, I'm just going to begin to take my brush and brush my hair into position the way I like it. Off camera, I went in with my Lotta Body and pre-molded my hair into position. Now, as you guys can see, I'm taking my Got to Be glue and I'm going to spray it all over, honey. I'm spraying all over where I want everything laid, slayed, and perfect. I'm going to spray both sides and just pretty much get everything flat so this ponytail can be popping and everything can be on fleek, okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm going to take my silk scarf that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to lay my edges down until I get done doing what I have to do to complete this style. But what I'm going to do right now is pull the hair back into a ponytail just for the moment to get the hair out the way so I can tie the front end of my hair down. So as you guys can see, that is what I'm doing right now. This scarf is super duper cute and it was super reasonable in price. I will put it down below where you guys can purchase you one if you would like one as well. I love silk wraps. They're so much better than regular wraps. So I'm just tying it up right now. So now I'm just going to slick my ponytail into place like I would like it. I'm going to take my hair tie and put my hair into a nice tight ponytail so that I know everything is secure the way that I like it. And as you guys can see, it's looking pretty good. I'm just going to sit there and let my edges sit until I get ready to take the scarf off for the finished look. Everything is nice, sleek, and in place. So we're just going to let that sit. My scent of the day is the Jasmine Allure that I got from Victoria's Secret. And yeah. Okay, so now we done let it sit, and now we're getting ready to take off the scarf so we can see what everything is looking like. And now you guys see that this look came out beautiful, came out sleek, perfect, just like I wanted it to. It looks amazing. Yes, honey. Giving you pretty vibes, weekend vibes. Swoop ponytail, looking good. Okay, everything that I use in this video I will put down in the description box so you guys can achieve this look as well. But this is just something that you can do if you have to head out and you just need something quick. I did want to go in with my parts a little bit more with my Fit Me in the color beige, and I'm just gonna go down my part with it just to make it look a little more natural. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go down my part. I was looking in my mirror to make sure I got everything like I wanted. And as you guys can see, this is the look that I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.
I can't trust nobody. I ain't even reach that party. Don't invite me to no party.